woke up, couple meal on my plate. Let's eat. I'm investing in real estate. I just went and gave my mama 100. Probably won't hear me open my mouth, let you hear me talking about finding some money.
So of course, we're starting off with priming. I don't have a certain concealer I go for when I prime. Pretty much anyone that's not super watery though, but I don't have like, the one from Millennium is the one I've been using recently, but like, you really can use any concealer. I'm taking my Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. I'm taking the navy blue out of the corner, and I'm using the E17. I'm going to pack that like in the outer C. I'm not going to bring it all the way in, but y'all will see that in a minute. I'm just going to stop it about right there. I'm going to take the same E17 and buff out the edges or whatever, just a little bit. I'm using this shade right here from the matte book, from the crayon case, M506 as usual, and I'm using this one to blend out to this one. But this color, I'm going to bring it all the way in. So that is what we are working with right now. Another E17, I'm going to add some of the matte black from the Jaclyn Hill palette, simply because that's where I got the purple from. So yeah, I'm just adding a matte black eyeshadow into the outer C. And then once again, I'm stopping it right in here. For the next step of this look, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in F1. I'm going to take just a little tiny bit and just dab it on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to take my finger and just pat it. And I'm going to just take my brush. So the point of using my finger was to kind of, I guess, mark where I wanted it. And the brush will like just help me where it'll just make it where it's not harsh like a cut crease, basically. I'm going to take the same matte black and just blend it over. For my Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking these two colors right here. I think it's Therapy Sesh and Lolly Mama. I'm going to mix these two, and that's going to be my lid color. But going back into the matte book, I'm taking the same blue that we used to blend out the darkest blue, and we're going to blend out the purple. Yeah, I don't mind like my eyeshadow just kind of like sitting here. I always clean it up when I do my actual face makeup, so that's why I look crazy today. I don't even know if y'all noticed it, but I just had to let y'all know real quick. I'm going to use some more black to blend this out of here. Using this eyeliner from Iris Beauty. I'm gonna put down my duo lash glue, and I'm gonna be putting this fine glitter, black glitter on top, and then I'm also gonna put some of this mix. So I'm just using like 2 flat concealer brushes or whatever. I'm using the bigger one to apply the glue, and then a smaller one to apply the glitter. Also gonna add a little bit of this neon stacker. I'm going to be adding some eyeliner to my waterline. I'm adding some more purple from the Jack on Hill palette. Yeah, I was not recording it, but I don't even know if I like this. I don't feel like I look like a spider or something now. You guys, for some reason, I completely forgot to record my intro and outro for this video. But if you guys did enjoy it, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. And make sure you are subscribed. And I will see you guys in my next one.